Welcome to CET NEET Biology Coaching. Previously, some of the questions we have discussed regarding the NEET and CET on the unit ecology and the chapter called organisms and population. Today, continuing to that, some more questions we will discuss. And the question starts. The first question that we are going to discuss is the study of interrelationship between living organisms and their environment is called what? I repeat once again, the question is the study of interrelationship between living organisms and their environment is called dash. Whether is it called ecosystem? Option B is phytogeography. Option C is ecology. Option D is phytosociology. So prior to know the answer, let us understand each of the options, what they are. The first option, ecosystem. What is ecosystem? It is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Repeat, it is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment is called ecosystem. In simplest sentence, if you want to say, ecosystem means surrounding that we live in. But here the question is the study of interrelationship between living organisms and their environment. It is the study of biotic and abiotic components, how they are interrelated. That means it is not. The first option is not. And second option, phytogeography. Phytogeography is a branch of botany dealing with the description of the plants. So it is also because it is concerned with the study of branch of botany dealing with the description of the plants. That is called the phytogeography. So it's also not related to this statement. It is given in the above. And the option C is ecology. It is the study of interrelationship between the living organisms and their environment. It's called ecology. At the beginning of the lesson organism and population, we discussed the definition of the ecology. Ecology is the study of interrelationship between living organisms and their environment. So hopefully the more appropriate answer will be ecology. Let us say D, phytosociology. It is a branch of science which deals with the plants community. It is a branch of science that deals with the plant community is called phytosociology. That means the appropriate answer will be C, ecology. So let us check it. Let us check the answer. Yes, C is the right option. Let us go to the next question. One of the following pair of animal is an example of commensalism. As we have discussed different types of interaction, interspecific relationship is there between the organisms, between the species we have discussed. There many interspecific relationship will come. Commensalism, amensalism, predation, parasitism, mutualism, like that many will come. So out of that, the given option, what is the correct one? Commensalism. One of the option is Succulina and crab. These are the two species. What type of relationship do they have? They have the parasitismic relationship. And the second option is Plasmodium and female Anopheles mosquitoides. So they are having the symbiotic association, or you can also say mutualism, in which both will get benefited. And third one, golden jackal and tiger. C option is golden jackal and tiger. It is the type of interest relationship they have is commensalism. And fourth one, Ascaris and man, is the parasitism, because man will be the host over there, where Ascaris is a parasite that lives inside the body of the living organism, that is human being. So Ascaris is a parasite, man is a host. So the type of relationship that they have is parasitism. So the more appropriate answer is C, golden jackal and tiger. What type of relationship they have means commensalism. So question is, one of the following pair of animals is an example of commensalism. Let us check the answer. Yes, it is golden jackal and tiger. Let